This is Samar again with the video, same videos of all the other videos. This is Samar spinning Winnie's videos again, and I'm Samar. And we'll do our wind turbines and fidget spinners and everything that's on this table gets to be reviewed. As you can see, this looks like a wind turbine, but it does not really spin. It's not really a spinning wind turbine because you have to take this out and then spin it. You're spinning. I'll have to put this back here. Okay, so now let's move on to wind turbines. So with this, I'm gonna show you how these wind turbines fail with my fingers. So as you can see, the rectangle is going. So when the turbine starts to spin, the rectangle, when it loses some, so it spins, then the rectangle's still okay, but it's getting weaker. So then, when the turbine loses something, the rectangle starts to shake. This side of my finger is shaking, and when the turbine starts to fall, the rectangle falls down into this. So that's you're done. Of turbine fail. Now we're gonna see how turbines do it. So this. So this is Nord. This is Vestas, Nordex, this energy. Fast forward. Next era energy. And this is again Vestas. And this is Vestas again. This is Hydra. This is Nordex. And this is the next era energy. I'm not done yet. The video is still 4 more minutes. So now we're gonna do the fidget spinners. So if your fidget spinner does not spin so fast, then if you find something like this, I like this because it looks really pretty. And this fidget spinner does not spin so fast. So put it on this side, any side of the bearing caps, and then it spins much, much, much longer. That did it. Okay. Now thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe and always watch my videos. Never stop.